NoMoreNoobie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload your gaming videos onto YouTube using the free and easy Sharefactory app on the PS4. So if you are a PS4 player wanting to make gaming videos using the Sharefactory app, then this is the channel for you. So please do like, subscribe, turn on notifications and comment below if you've got any other videos you want me to do. So in this video we are using an example of a previous video, which is how to download Sharefactory, and I'm just going to take you through the process of what I did to upload it to YouTube. So first thing we're doing is just checking that everything's okay, making sure we've got an intro and an outro, and if you haven't already got any of those for your videos, then please check out my other videos which show you how to create those. And we're checking that the volumes are correct. This is our thumbnail, and what we're going to do is make sure the thumbnail is all as it should be, and once we are happy with it we press options and we go across to generate thumbnail and then click on that, and it says project thumbnail saved, and push OK. And once that is done, then we are then able to delete the thumbnail because we don't actually want it in our video. We just want to allocate it to this video, so we just go to square and go across and delete clip and confirm, and then that has got rid of that. Now that is that's an overlap, so we need to get rid of this little bit at the end. We don't want that showing on our video, so I will get rid of that and come back to you. Okay, so that's gone. That was just the music clip was just too long, so I've just trimmed that down. So now we're ready to upload to YouTube. So we just push the triangle button and then you'll see it starts to render the movie ready to be uploaded to YouTube. So that starts counting up to 100%, and I'm just going to skip ahead because it takes a little while and obviously longer if the video is longer. So skipping ahead, there we go, we're just in the last few percent and it will count up to 100%. Once we've got to there, it asks us if we want to share the video, and you can share later or share now. We're going to click across to share now, and then it comes up with, do you want to go to YouTube or Twitter? We select YouTube. You see our thumbnail is on the top there. That's great, we want to leave that there. Title, description, we're going to leave as it is because we're going to do that in YouTube. And then privacy, you can have private, only you can watch this. Unlisted, anyone with the link can watch this. Public, anyone can find and watch this. So I always put unlisted because I want to add things to it like the description and title in YouTube, so I leave it as unlisted so nobody can see it until I'm ready, and then I can make it public. Go down to share, push cross, and then that will take us to the next stage. Okay, so that's us all finished with Sharefactory. So we can come out of Sharefactory now. You see up in the top left hand corner it said added to upload, so that's just going to do its thing now. We can come out, save project and exit, and then we're just leaving Sharefactory, completely leaving the PlayStation, and we're going onto a PC or laptop. So I've just come onto my channel here, and then what you want to do is click on YouTube Studio, and then on the left hand side where it says videos, click on videos, and then that will take us to our videos here that we've got listed, and you see the top one is showing as unlisted, where we're showing you here. So that is showing that it's not viewable by the public. That means we can work on it until we're ready, and then what you want to do is click on details. Okay, and then that is where we're going to put the different details we want. So we're going to put the title up here, so you can put whatever you want. Obviously it automatically loads up with whatever was on Sharefactory, so we want to change that to make it clear what our video is all about. And then underneath that we've got the description, so you can delete that bit and just change that to add the details of your video, so you can explain a bit more about what it's all about and what people get out of it. The tags you can play about with and put different tags in. I'm going to do different videos on all these things, so don't worry too much at the moment, but yeah, certainly for your first videos do check out how to add tags, but I do intend to do videos on that as well. So if you're watching this sometime later after this one, then I may well have done it, so check out my channel for others. On the right hand side we've just clicked on add cards, and this is where you can add little pop-ups that come on top of your YouTube screen when the video is playing, and it will tell you, the viewer, about other channels, other videos that you've got, or other playlists. So I'm just going to click playlist on here. Now, it's a Sharefactory video, so I'm going to click on Sharefactory tutorials to let other people know, or to let the viewer know that there's other videos that people might find of interest and of use. So you can just click on any of these videos that you want to show that you've got at the moment. We'll do one more, and what I'm doing is just skipping through different parts of the video so it's spread across the video a little bit. So we'll add another one here, and so you click on create video playlist, choose whichever video we want, click on that, and it says create card, and that will be 3 on there. And then once you've finished, it says when you've finished, on the top left hand corner it says when you've finished, close this tab, which we've done, and it goes back to the main screen. And then under that we've got end screens, so you can just choose whichever end screen you want, the one that suits our, if you saw our outro video, then we choose this one, and the arrow points up to the subscribe button. That's really handy just to have there. So obviously you can move these about and play about a little bit, but that suits our video quite well. And then above that it says playlists, so we can click on playlists, and we can tick whichever one this video applies to. So for me it's a Sharefactory tutorial, so we click on that, and then above that it says visibility. At the moment it's unlisted, so nobody can see it, but if we click on that, we can click on public, and then I'm not actually going to do it because I need to put all the tags and description and that in first. But if you click on that, push done, and then save, and it will be ready for YouTube. So that's the basics there. I am going to do more videos on details of tags and description and title at a later point, but at the moment I'm focusing on the actual Sharefactory part, but those videos will come. So thanks for watching. Do watch other videos, and if you haven't subscribed and liked and turned on notifications, please do. Thanks for watching. Cheers.